Reb, we started with you, we're gonna wrap it up with you, right? 2 years from now, which I know is like is like 20 years in the Space Force. What can we expect to see? And it didn't go unnoticed. The Guardians are not only sort of trying to keep all these different pieces of information separated, et cetera, in these assets, but also protecting them, right? There's a not from just the cyber play, but all kinds of other things going on up there in space, right? It's the new frontier, if you will.
Luke, thanks. That makes a lot of sense. I'm going to do a reverse order. I'm going to talk about a little bit from a technology perspective, and then talk about the people. So technology, I'm going to actually start with the bad news. I'm very fearful of new attack vectors.
Mm.
As we talk about bringing data together and making data as a strategic asset, we also have innovative adversaries and innovative threats. They're going to go after that data, and that will open up new attack vectors that we have to anticipate and start building the resilience into our architectures and our systems today, so that we can protect that data, make sure it's authoritative and doesn't lead us down to the wrong decision path. It's not just making decisions faster, but it's making it based off authoritative data sources or the right data with the amount of risk that we have to manage. On the technology side, I know we're going to have more sensors and more assets on orbit that we're going to have to manage. I know that we're going to have to improve the way we do data management. And I appreciate our industry partners already talking about going from a federated solution on how do we do data management, because some of that part of that federation solution will be on the ground and on Earth, but some of that may also end up in orbit. And that computing at the edge is going to be really important. From the people side, I have to raise the AI literacy of my entire Guardian workforce so that they become more comfortable with human machine teaming. If they're not comfortable to use the tools will not be used. And then that puts us behind. So fundamentally, we're back to getting the right tools in the right hands with the right training. And sometimes that will require upskilling and education, so that we can be a more effective force and achieve space superiority for our nation and our partners and our allies.